Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna share with you one of the juiciest chicken breast recipe. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, to this add in 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, a teaspoon of paprika powder. You can substitute this with Kashmiri chili powder. To this add in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs to this. However, this is optional. Season this with salt. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now mix everything well. To this add in 2 chicken breasts that have been sliced into 4 fillets. This allows the chicken to cook evenly, absorb more flavor and stay juicy on the grill. Now coat the chicken thoroughly so that all the flavors get absorbed. Marinate this for at least half an hour. I have marinated for around 2 hours. Now heat up your grill pan. I am using my cast iron grill pan. Once it is hot enough, add oil to this. You can also add butter. Once the oil is also hot and the girdle is ready to cook, place in the chicken smooth side down. To keep the chicken juicy, set your stove on medium heat, not on high and not on low. Steady medium heat helps retain the juiciness of the chicken. Now cook both the sides exactly for 5 minutes each. Once it's been 5 minutes, flip over and cook the other side also for 5 more minutes. After cooking each of the sides for 5 minutes, take it off from the grill and let it rest for another 5 minutes. That step is crucial to retain the juiciness of the chicken. Look at how juicy it turned out. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.